Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Connie and this channel is all about plants. So if you're into that type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing a package from a company called The Next Gardener. The Next Gardener specializes in hundreds of rare succulents, but they also sell pots and planters and garden supplies. You can find them online at thenextgardener.com for a closer look at everything they have to offer. So it just came in by UPS while I was out running errands, and this is the box. So yeah, guys, let's get right into this unboxing video. There are two of these longer rectangular boxes, and let's see, there's another size box like this. It looks like there's four of those. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the two long ones. Have some cotton padding in here. And I'm assuming this is to keep all the soil in place. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of succulents in here. Wow. Okay, so let me show you what's inside the box. There's several succulents in here. And each one has a tag, so I'm gonna pull out each one and let you see it, and I'll give you the name that's on it. So I think these are like 2-inch pots. Here's the first one. This is an Echeveria Dark Ice. There's the tag. All right, here's the next one. And this one is called Echeveria Mont Blanc. Okay. Next is this really pretty one. And this is called Echeveria Madiba, M-A-D-I-B-A. Here's the next one. This one's called Echeveria Chocolate Mousse. It's like a deep purple with green undertones. This is the next one. It has a good, a well-draining soil in each one of them. This one's really cool. It's a dark color. I'm trying not to drop the soil. This one is called Echeveria Linda Jean or Rob Roy. It's a really deep purple. Okay, so I came outside because the lighting was kind of off inside. So hopefully you guys can get a better look at these. These are the ones that came in this rectangular box. There's about 10 2-inch inside of here. So I'm gonna try to go through each one of them quickly because there's so many more to unbox. The next one is some type of string of, and it looks like a string of tears, but I'm not sure. It doesn't say that on the tag, but this could just be the scientific name. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but I'll put it up on the screen. This is what it looks like. And this is the name. The next ones are really cool. So this one is a Crassula CV Buddha's Temple. It's like a little tower. This one's really pretty. It's a deep purple. It's an Echeveria, the next gardener Maya. I think that's how you pronounce it, M-E-I-Y-A. So it looks like, because it's called the next gardener, maybe this is some type of hybrid that they created. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty. The next one is an Echeveria Red Knight or Red Ebony. Also really pretty. It's like a mint green and it has like burgundy tips. And there's one left inside this box. This is the 10th one. It's called an Echeveria Moselle, M-O-Z-E-L. So that's it for the first box with the 10 2-inch succulents, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the next one that's the same size box. I think it's probably another 10 inside of there. Here's another look at these. Again, there's a sticker right here that says open, so it basically shows you where to open up the box so that you don't damage any of the plants. So they have this cotton on top to keep the plant secure in here and prevent the soil from falling out, which is really nice. And they did a really good job packaging these in here. All right, so let's see what's in this one. Okay, the first one is an Echeveria also. Looks like it says Perpuserum, but I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. This is what it looks like. Next is another Echeveria. This is an Elegans Albo. It says Alba, but I don't know if they meant Albo. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. Trying to go as quickly as I can, but also give you a good look at each one of them. This one's a Setiveria. It's a Setiveria Pink Ruby. Next one is an Echeveria Champagne. Next is another Echeveria. It's called an Echeveria Agavoides Morgane. I'll put it up on the screen. This is pretty cool. I've never seen one with pointy tips like that. Wow, this is a really dark purple. I don't see a label on this one, but I'll find out the name and I'll put it across the screen. The next one is an Echeveria Lola. I love this one. Very pretty. This one's really, really cool. This is a Crassula Baby's Necklace. Love this. That is so cute. The next one's called Echeveria Caroline. This one's an Echeveria Fiona. So that's it for the second box. I'll give you another look at all of them together, and then I'll start opening up the other boxes. So here's another look at the second box of succulents. All right, so I have 4 more boxes. There are these square boxes right here, and I already went ahead and just opened up the box on top, but I'm gonna unbox it with you guys so you can see exactly how it's packaged. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what it is. Looks like about a 4-inch nursery pot, has a sleeve over it. There's also cotton on top so that the soil does not spill. Very, very good packaging, I must say. Not a whole lot of mess. This might be a 5-inch. Looks like a cloud. Look at this, it's so pretty. So this one's called Echeveria Crispate Beauty, C-R-I-S-P-A-T-E Beauty. And it really is beautiful. I love the shape of the leaves. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. This is really pretty. Okay, next up, let's see what's in here. Looks like another 4 or 5-inch. Same type of packaging, very little spillage. Let's see. More clouds. Ooh, look at this. This is an Echeveria CV Onslow, O-N-S-L-O-W, or Onslow. This is pretty. We got 2 more. Weather's really nice out here right now. The sun's going down, but there's a nice breeze. So I'm glad I chose right now to do this, because normally in the daytime it's pushing 100 lately. So it's real nice out here right now. Here's the next one. More clouds. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Okay, so this is the Echeveria Dark Ice, and this is one of the ones that was included in the other box, the 2-inch size. I love this. This is so pretty. All right, so this is the last one. Looks like another 4 to 5-inch. And everything so far came in really good condition. And they were so packaged so well. So no complaints. And even though the weather is really, really hot, they got here in really good condition. So I'm glad about that. But they're gonna like the hot temperatures here. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at this one. This is the last one. This is Collegia Repens Pink Lady. Ooh, this is so pretty. So I think this is in the Tradescantia family. I'm not sure if this is the one that they also refer to as the Pink Panther, but they're calling it the Pink Lady. And it's really, really pretty. It looks like the bottom of the leaves are a little deeper purple than the Pink Panther. I could be wrong, but it looks like it to me. So this is really, really pretty. I don't know if this is actually considered a succulent, but the leaves are kind of thick, so maybe it is. But this is so pretty, and I'm so glad I opened this one last. Now I'm just gonna go through each one of the boxes and show you which ones were my favorites. I really like this Pink Lady. Really pretty. The Echeverria Dark Ice. And like I mentioned earlier, I have two of these now. This one and then the 2-inch one. I also really love this one. This is the Echeverria Crispate Beauty. And some of these I've never even seen before. All right, let me look through the ones in the longer boxes and see which ones I like the most out of those. I really love the Crassula Baby's necklace. Super cute. And I also thought this one was really interesting. The Echeverria Agavoides Morgane with those pointy leaves. Very different. I also really think this Crassula Buddhist Temple is really cool. I love how it layers upward like that. And this one right here is also pretty. This is the Echeverria Chocolate Mousse. So it's like a green color on the outside and then it gets purple on the inside. But yeah, guys, that's all of them. And they came in excellent condition. None of them were damaged. So check out The Next Gardener at thenextgardener.com. All the information will be in the description box along with a 15% off coupon code. Discount code is Connie-TNG. All that'll be down below. So what I'd like to do is to pot all of these up into some type of raised planter. I actually saw one at IKEA today, and I think it's a new item because I've never seen it before. It's a round raised planter. It's not too tall, it sits kind of low, and it was $59.99. So I thought that maybe I could look for something similar at a thrift shop. So I'm gonna probably do a video where I look for something to hack into a raised planter. So I'll take you guys along with me when I do the thrift shopping to find some sort of raised planter or something that I can hack into a raised planter. And I think these are gonna do really well outside here in the South Florida temperatures because I have so many other succulents and cacti outside and I have no issues with them. So I'm actually really happy to get these and to start working on a new project. Let me know in the comments if you like succulents and if you have any succulents in your collection. Also, which one of these was your favorite? I know there were a lot of them, but if you saw the name as I was going through them, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Like I said, this one was actually one of my favorites, and I'm so happy that I got two of these, the Echeverria Dark Ice. That's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share for more plant-related videos. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching and take care.